Hey guys, it's Kaycee. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am just going to be doing some random makeup. So I'll kind of let you know what I'm doing as I go along, and then I'll put the products down in the description box. And I'm not going to do moisturizer or any primer today. I just don't feel like it. I'm probably going to wash this off right after I do it anyways. And then I'm going to have a campfire tonight anyways, so I don't want to wear makeup out to that. So we're going to just basically dive right into it with some foundation. So let me just grab that right there and the brush. And we're going to just dip into the bottle here. And my dress apparently. Okay, and here we go. Just, yeah, right everywhere. Love just getting it, yeah, up in your nose and everywhere you can, really. No. That looks so good. Oh, I'm gonna cry. Okay. All right, let's just finish up here. Forehead, nose. Make sure we get the chin. Inside the eyes is always good, you know. Always get it on, yeah, your lids just so that you can prime them. There we go. Oh, looking good. All right, are we done with foundation? Okay, so now we're moving on to concealer. So I've got a Covergirl concealer stick here that I'm just going to put under my eyes. Okay, and look by my, right there, yeah. And under the other eye. And then I'm going to take a brush, a concealer brush, and just blend that in. Okay, the base is done. So before we go and do some eyeshadow, we're gonna go in and sculpt my brows with some Kat Von D Brow Struck. Goes nothing. Just get some of this on the brush here and get right in there. Eyeshadow. I've got a couple palettes here, so I'm just gonna pick one and dive in. Here we go. We're going for some Hank and Henry In Living Color palette, and here we go. Oh, we're gonna start with my left eye. Some brown and pink mixed together there. So we're going just for, you know, a grunge type, dark, gothic type look today. Really just, you know, whatever we're feeling. Throw some really bright cobalt blue up in there just to offset those burgundies. Let's finish off the other eye here with what do we got? Oh, yeah, we got some blue and brown. Looking good. Okay, so now that we've got eyeshadow done, we're gonna do some mascara. Let me just put these brushes away. And we have Essence mascara. Okay, here it goes. Okay, mascara is on the face. Okay, now we're gonna go, and I don't want to do highlighter. We'll use this highlighter. I'm just gonna use some eyeshadow as highlighter today. So I got my highlighter brush, and I'm gonna try to go for the white shade in this nice little Almay palette and put it on the top of my cheeks. We're succeeding. We're succeeding. Okay, now the other side here. Oh, this side's not quite as bright. Okay, so we're highlighted a little bit on the nose. Can't forget the little nose boop. There we go. And then we're going to go in to do some blush. We have this lovely blush brush. So we're just using Becca blush. I don't remember what shade this is. I know I used it in a video before though. It's quite pigmented. So, how do we look so far? Looking good, looking good. And then I guess we're just gonna finish off with a lip color. So, just from over here, we're gonna use a MAC lipstick. It's bubblegum pink. We're gonna do our best to okay, yeah, looks like we're covered. Okay, so this is a completed look. So we've got quite a few different products here. Some Covergirl foundation. We've got the Kat Von D brows, the Hank & Henry for my eyeshadow palette, and then I have Becca for blush. It was, I think, an Almay palette for my highlighter, so looks good there. And then just a MAC lipstick to finish off the look. What do you guys think? I think it all tied together pretty nicely. I think I could, yeah, definitely go to the club like this. All right, so that's all I've got for you guys today. So thanks for coming by and watching. Again, thanks to everybody who subscribed and commented and liked my videos. If you haven't subscribed yet, please feel free to do so. And I will see you guys on Thursday with a Shein haul and try on. So have a good day, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye. You're holding my boob. They're going to be like, why is she holding her boob? Hey guys, it's Kaycee. Welcome back to my channel. So today, so long. So long. It's just one quick way.
Whatever. This is a different one.
Oh my god. Okay, we gotta do that again. Okay, drop it. Drop it. Oh my good God.
We can't see what the hell are you doing.
Oh